This here is my 1951 Packard 300 sedan. I picked this car up about 6 months ago on Facebook Marketplace from a man up in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Car is pretty much all original. It was repainted at some point, it seems, in the mid-50s when the original owner did some damage to the passenger side. But everything is period correct on it. And she runs like a champ. It had been sitting in a garage since 1976. That's the last registration on it. The interior is, it has seat covers on it, but they're in really good shape. And I mean, again, very period correct. Very cool. I've put, so it has 60,000 miles on it. I've put 1,500 of those on it in the last 6 months. It has the 327 cubic inch inline 8 engine, making 160 horsepower. It's 9 main bearings. It has a 2-barrel Carter carburetor on it. And this one has the pretty rare, so it seems, Delco Remy ignition on it. If anybody knows what this device is on the firewall, please let me know. It has a vacuum line here that runs straight to base of the carburetor, to those 2 points there. I can't make head or tail of what it is. My best guess is that it could be for adding lead fuel additive to the engine, you know, in the 70s when this car was taken off the road. Speaking of that, there's the last registration of the car. All I really had to do to get it running was put a fuel tank in it. I'm still waiting to get it back, so right now we have an outboard tank. But do that, clean the points, clean the carb. So to start it, you turn the key, and then you press the accelerator pedal, and the car fires right up. The clock does not work. The car does have a power antenna, which is operated right here, and an AM radio, which does not work, sadly. Heater works fantastically. As you can see, the interior is in pretty good shape. Has a few little cool features and stuff. There's a oil change calendar from when the car was, you know, back in 72. And then a whole bunch of stickers on the door. It is Ultramatic drive, which is like the old Buick Dynaflow transmission, where you have a high and low range and you have to shift manually between the two of them. There's the 327 straight 8. Nice and smooth. Now, they never sold this car with the option for a turquoise roof like it has, but I think it looks good. And again, it's period, so I'm not going to change it. Little bit of a misfire, but we'll fix that. Body is incredibly straight, as I pointed at the one dent on the car. You can see the rockers are in great shape. Underside of the car, also in pretty good shape. Frame is solid as a rock. I went and put, new Coker tires on it. There's that cormorant hood ornament. And we'll take her for a spin around the field here. So you can see the speedometer works pretty well. Rides about as well in this field as a new car does on the road. And brakes work phenomenally. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.